Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be having a lot of fun playing with Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. For 2020, this was probably one of the most exciting launches of cosmetics and I can't wait to dive in. I've purchased some of her products, so I'm excited to try them. I don't have them all, so this isn't going to be a full impression of the whole brand, but I bought some products I think I'll definitely use, heard great reviews about, and I just love what the brand stands for. It's all about accentuating your own beauty, what makes you unique. You're not covering up your face. You're all about accentuating what makes you beautiful, enhancing what you have. And I love how when you purchase the products, a proceed goes to help with mental health charities. So that is fantastic. I believe the goal is over 10 years to raise $100 million for the Rare Impact Fund to help with mental health. And I think that is such an admirable goal, and I think definitely achievable. And I'm so excited about that. I think that's such a good cause, so why not support and get some of the products. So let's just get right in and try them out. So the first product I'm trying out today is the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I have the shade 130. I'm very excited to try this because it's like a medium to full buildable coverage. I love that it has this doe foot applicator. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this where I think I need it. Oh, this is a thinner texture than I thought it would be. I love that. Usually when I hear medium to full, I'm like, oh, okay, it's probably gonna be a little bit thicker. That's really nice and thin in consistency. It kind of feels like skincare. It's supposed to be in a serum base, so that totally makes sense. So I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and blend it in. Oh, this is such a nice texture. It is so thin in consistency. I love it. Okay, good coverage, good color. It feels really nice on the skin. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup. So I can get on board with that feeling. I would say it's yeah, I would say medium coverage is probably the best description. I don't know how you would make this more full. Maybe a denser brush, probably the Rare Beauty foundation brush, which I saw and it was beautiful, but I just don't use brushes enough to make it worthwhile. So I'm just didn't bother getting it, but it's a great price, and they honestly, the bristles felt so soft. It's probably worth it to get the brush if you want fuller coverage out of this, because I'm just going in again to layer it, which it's actually very nice for layering, I must say. It's just gliding on. It's not pilling. It's not feeling cakey. Oh, I just love the feeling. It does not feel like makeup. I would definitely recommend this, especially if you want a bit of coverage, more than a tinted moisturizer, but not as much as a foundation, and you don't want it to feel like a foundation or makeup. I would recommend this 100%. It feels really nice on the skin, and it's so great. Their foundations, there's 48 shades and so many different undertones. When I was trying to narrow down my color selection online, I'm like, oh gosh, there's so many, but I love it. It's so inclusive. I didn't pick up the concealer just because I wanted to try the foundation first, but I do love that when you get the foundation, there's a corresponding concealer for it. If you see on the display, it's the foundation and concealer that matches right in front of it, so you can't go wrong. So we're gonna be trying two blush products today. I love blush, so that is my weakness, so I have to buy one of each. So I'm trying the Stay Vulnerable Melting Cream Blush in Nearly Mauve, a nice cool tone, because I realized in my collection of blushes I have no cool tones, just pink and coral. So I thought that'd be a fun addition to the collection. And for the second product, we are trying out the Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade Grace, which is the matte finish. So I'm actually going to do one on each cheek because, hey, I'm not going anywhere today and I want to see how each one wears throughout the day. So I'm going to look a little weird. Start with the matte blush. Okay, it has the nice same doe foot applicator like the foundation did. Okay, this looks really intense. I feel I don't know how to apply. I don't use cream blushes enough, so I'm just going to do a couple dabs. I feel that's enough. We're just going to start there because it says it's buildable. Oh, she's pigmented. Oh, but blends nicely. Okay, loving this. Okay. Okay, this is beautiful. I was actually really scared there. That was not gonna blend well, that it was gonna be so pigmented. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so natural. I was just expecting to almost have clown cheeks with how bright that pink was, but this is beautiful. Alright, Selena Gomez, obsessed. I have the description here, and it says it's a weightless, long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautifully for soft, healthy flesh. That's exactly what this is. Beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna see a tiny bit more because let's just face it. I like a good cheek. I like it to be popping. I love a lot of color, so I'm just gonna see how it layers now. Okay, it layers really well. Now I don't know if that's just because of the beauty sponge is helping it like meld it into the skin really well, but wow. It is so natural. It's so pretty. Okay, you can't go wrong. Love it. Next one, we are going in now with the Stay Vulnerable Melting Cream Blush. Oh, look how pretty it looks. Just see, look how pretty. Oh my god, the packaging for this Stay Vulnerable line of Rare Beauty is exquisite. It looks so expensive and luxurious. I love it. I don't even want to touch it. It looks so perfect, but we will. It says you can apply it with your fingertips, so I will. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, loving it. So it says this one's water resistant, so I'm already intrigued. A nice water resistant cream blush, because I find cream blushes always like, okay, I think a little too heavy handed there, but I find cream blushes always like, fade on me in like the span of like an hour. You can't even see them wearing blush, and that's just not okay with me. Okay, this is so soft. Oh my goodness. This feels like I'm putting a moisturizer on my cheek. It feels so good. Oh, a nice soft finish. You know, considering this blush says it's matte, it has a nice natural finish. Like, I don't feel like it's a drying matte. And this one definitely, it's giving me like a natural to dewy vibe, but not like shiny or greasy. Oh, I like this. Oh, I love it. It feels so good on the cheeks. Oh, oh, I'm so pleasantly surprised. I was a little nervous. Cream blushes are not my forte, or liquid blushes. I haven't used them in a long time, but wow. I feel like on this side with the Stay Vulnerable one, I might want to like powder it or put like a setting spray. It just feels like it feels dewier, so I feel like if your combination oily, you might like run off the face, so you might want a setting powder. In the Rare Beauty line, released this like portable little compact that has like a powder puff with powder already in it, so you can just press it on for touch-ups, and then blotting paper. So you might actually like to invest in that if you're more oily, and maybe just like lightly tap that powder onto the cheek to keep the blush there. But other than that, like, it feels beautiful. If you're someone with dry skin, you're gonna love this blush. I can't believe it. But it says it's water resistant, so maybe once it like settles in, it's perfect. But wow, I'm really, really impressed. Beautiful. Like, would recommend these in a heartbeat. Next is lip products. So excited to try these. I love lip products. So I've got two here. I've got the Lip Soufflé Matte Cream Lipstick and the Stay Vulnerable Glossy Balm in, yeah, I think I got the same one to match the cheeks. Nearly mauve. Yes, so I got both. Very excited to try them. I love a lip product. I've heard phenomenal things about how this feels for a matte lipstick. And this one I heard it almost feels like a lip mask in treatment, but you could like a beautiful color in it. I'm gonna start with the Glossy Balm, see how that feels, take it off, and then we're gonna try the mattified lipstick. Wow, this lip gloss balm miracle feels so good. I can't believe it. It's a beautiful color, nothing too strong, but it gives you a nice like little pop, so it's great for like those, I need to just quickly throw something on, look put together, but don't want to put much effort in, like love it. I can't get over the feeling. It feels like I'm wearing a lip mask, but better. And it's not sticky. So it's like a gloss. It gives like beautiful shine, nice pigment, not sticky, not greasy. Oh, I love it. Okay, Selena is like, you've sold me just on these products I've tried. I'm so impressed. And this packaging, like with the gold lid, like it's so bougie, and I love the fact it has a flat bottom. So I can put it down on my table and it will not roll away from me. Like, love it. Oh my goodness, the Stay Vulnerable line, I'm impressed. Like, so nourishing. Like, between this blush and this lip balm, like, you're gonna have the most nourished skin ever. This foundation is sitting really well too. Like, I'm so impressed. Okay, one more product to try. So I'm gonna go take this lip balm off, and then we're gonna come in with the matte souffle. I'm back. So I just took the lip balm off, and my lips still feel really nourished. So the fact that it gives a claim that you get 12 hours of hydration, I fully believe it. My lips feel so nourished even though I just took it off. So really, really impressed. Wait, next is the Soufflé, the lip souffle. So I got the shade Brave, which is a muted terracotta color. I love a nice like warm orangey, like, I mean, that's pretty much all I wear. If you know me, I love a good like orangey, burnt orange color. Like, I should probably step out of my comfort zone one of these days, but in time. But let's try this out. That feels like air.
That feels like air.
I'm blown away. I'm actually like speechless right now. That feels so good. Like when it says like lightweight air whip, wow, that is what I feel right now. It is so lightweight. It's so thin in texture. Anytime I see like matte liquid lipstick, I'm ready for my lips to feel dry. Like I know I gotta go in with that lip balm, like the whole 9 yards. Wow, you don't have to with this one. It feels so good. It feels like velvet. Wow. I'm looking in every mirror. Where has this been my whole life? Thank you, Rare Beauty. I'm obsessed. This is like my new ultimate favorite matte finish lip product. Like, this is stunning. I'm gonna go probably buy like every color now. It feels so good. It's non-drying. It has the same botanical extracts that were in the lip balm for hydration. Plus it has vitamin E, which is so nourishing on the skin. My ultimate verdict of Rare Beauty is I need to go buy it all. It's so good. This is beautiful quality, really nice finishes. The only thing I would say is if you're going to get the foundation, make sure to invest in the brush so you can get that full coverage out of it. Otherwise, if you're using just like a beauty sponge with it, you're gonna get medium coverage. The formulas are gorgeous, the colors are gorgeous, and honestly, I'm like looking at my makeup right now and it feels like me. Like it feels like I didn't cover myself in makeup. It feels like I'm accentuating what I need to. I love it. And of course I didn't use her highlight, her primer, her eyeliner, her eyebrow products. She's just released like new eyeshadow palettes, which are beautiful. So didn't use those. So I don't know how those are. So if these products are any indication of the quality of the line of Rare Beauty, buy everything. That's all I have to say. It's beautiful. Invest in it. Support the Rare Beauty impact. Purchase her products. Proceeds go to mental health charities, and you're gonna feel beautiful in them. I'm really stunned. I wasn't expecting to like it so much. You know, I've heard good things, but I was like just thinking like makeup hasn't been that different in a long time, and there's nothing that really stands out to me, but this would definitely be a standout brand to me. So I'm so happy, and I can't wait to try out more products. So thank you for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope you now run to Sephora or rarebeauty.com or sephora.com.ca, wherever you are, and order the Rare Beauty line because you won't be disappointed. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.